Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Amir. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now, and yes, don't forget to click the bell icon below. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the most essential points to become a successful chef. So if you still want to learn how to become a successful chef in future, then please watch the video till the end and enjoy the video, learn from watching. Let's go. It is true that many people seem to have misconception that the road to becoming a chef is easy. But according to our culinary experts around the globe, being chef is tough and demanding both physically and mentally. So, if you don't have that passion, there is no point. The long hours that are synonymous with the career make it absolutely vital that you are passionate and dedicated to the craft. You have to be creative to become a successful chef. You need to have a passionate about creating a new recipes and not to be scared to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. In order to be a successful chef, you will also need a solid grounding and a good foundation. There is always something new to be learned. So if you think that you have what it takes to be a chef, then these tips are core essential.